Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Hello everybody, this is Jerome, Director of Percetakan CCS Sendirian Berhad or CCS Printing. We print everything except money. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the newest function, small pieces in one big piece calculator, or we call it the paper fitting calculator. This is the instruction, and first, we're gonna fill in large and small paper sizes. You can fill it in inch, you can fill it in millimeters, you can fill it in feet, you can do, it will be automatically converted to each and every one. Then after that, we'll fill in the total number of small pieces paper required. Let's say I want to print 5,000 pieces of small paper. I would like to calculate how many big pieces I need to print 5,000. And then there will be these two buttons, is offset and digital. What are the differences? The differences is the margin. For offset, there will be this bigger margin all around the paper, and for digital, it's smaller. After that, we'll click calculate, and boom, we cannot, because the big piece of paper, I put it too big. Okay, so let's say 0.24 by 2. Let's calculate again. There you go, we can fit in 80 pieces per sheet of large paper. So 5,000 pieces of small paper, I only need 63 pieces of large piece of paper. Let's try a whole number, so it's easier for us to do the calculation. Boom, here you go. We can fit in 20 pieces of this size, 1 by 2, into 12 by 6. So only need 250 pieces of big paper into small piece of paper. Let's try a spot check, 1 by 1, right? Boom, here you go. We can fit 10 by 4. You might think, isn't it 12 by 6? How come only 10 by 4, right? Because this is the margin that's doing its job. There's this 1 inch margin all around. Imagine there's this paper. You need some place for your hand to hold, for the machine to take the paper and put it into machine. So only 40 pieces. We need 1 to 5 to fit 5,000. This actually, there's more function to this. Let's say my house, right? My house is 12 feet by 6 feet, okay, scale, all right, and I have these packaging boxes I would like to put in. Let's say the box is 2 by 1. Right? I do not know how many boxes can it fill. I have 200 boxes I want to fill into my house. How many can I fit? Let's calculate. Boom, there's only 20 boxes I can fit in one room. So to fit in 200 pieces of box, I'll need 10 rooms. Of course, this is only 2-dimensional, so you have to do the third dimension. All right, let's try digital, right? Because of the margin being smaller, so you can fit in more. You can fit in more in the same piece of paper. So a little bit about ourselves. CCS Printing has been since 1991. We strive to be the best printer, to bring the most convenience, to make printing easiest for our clients. And we hope today this video will be helpful for those who require this function to use. Thank you so much. Have a good day ahead. Goodbye.